binabalik ko pa lang.
It's 6:38 in the evening. So, cooking and dry. Then, of course, rice is life. Here, the rice. 4.5 rice kilo.
And the whole place I'll always remember us this day.
Ooh, it's scarily dark. I can put a bit of light on now. See what happens. That's better. We've gone. Oh, we've gone again. This light was as cheap as chips, and it's really good. So it's food time again. They've been cooking, as you can see.
Yum!
Yum. There we go.
Chicken!
Yeah, make sure there's some chicken left for me.
Oh,
There you go.
I will hide it. Before I stole it.
Yeah. If you can get me more chicken, get me more chicken. Oh my God. Yeah, well, what's that fish?
Fish.
Oh, look.
Tilapia.
Oh,
And dried
tilapia.
fish.
They're digging into the fish, look.
Where's the shrimp paste? Shrimp paste.
Oh, that's lovely. This light's been worth its weight in gold. It was so cheap. Assuming my audio works and I don't lose the video, of course.
You come closer, just show the rice.
Oh, God. I'm sorry. Sorry, baby. I thought everybody had seen what rice looks like. Oh. What's up, Beanie? Are you backing off or are you hiding? What you... Oh.
It's delicious.
Delicious.
Pinoy food.
Oh, look guys, can you guess what that is? Look, there's a frenzy. And Mel's brother's going to cook porridge in the morning. There's plenty to go around, I want no violence.
I'm hungry. Patakad po sa...
Look at this little ranger, bless him. I've been giving him a cuddle. He's got a high temperature. We're drinking over here, look. The kids are gonna, some of the smaller kids are gonna sleep in the tents. So we're doing the drinking thing. Later, I don't want to be too drunk because my wife will fall out with me. I've made a promise. Yeah.
Sana all.
Well, yes. Samig all. And we've got some young ladies in here, look. Oh, she's always showing up, isn't she, this one? And that's her brother there, look. That's, what's your name again?
Ken.
Moko.
Ken.
Moko.
His name's Ken.
Moko.
This is Beanie.
No.
And I don't know, I know the girls, but I don't know the names. That's her sister there. That's her sister. See, they're all beautiful. That's Tintin. And what's your name? Pardon?
Erica.
Say it again. Say it again.
Louder.
I'm only joking, I heard it first time. So you're all having a good time?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. I know you do. Yes. So you can see, guys, these overnighters are really good. And you can have a really good time when you're in the Philippines. How much of a good time are you having at the moment? Oh dear, somebody's not happy. Oh, little girl, on video that one. So that's another quick one, guys. And I'll give you another look at anything that's happening later because there'll probably be a few merry people. It's
It's drinking time, guys. So here's the other cottage. just for boys.
Papaliwanag mo man, sasabihin mo na. Pasensya na.
And the other cottage for female. Here.
Wala silang karapatan na ako ay talagaan. Bakit sila'y wala alam sa tunay kong pinagmulan.
It's normal here guys if there's a gathering, boys to boys, woman for woman. This is the young generation.
Copyright.
Matthew, stop! Buninay, grilling a chicken.
Oh no, no, I thought you meant these.
Are you mad?
No. I'm just doing my job.
Di ba na kayo pa yan? Tapos
Hey, manamas. Yun nga eh.
Alam nung kalayo.
That's the purpose.
No!
What's going on? What's happening? I'm jamming.
Hey, let's drink!
Let's drink, but not
Let's
Red
drink.
Horse. No Red Horse, okay?
Oh, no, that's water. Hey, nice.
It's water and sunmig.
are you happy?
I'm very happy. Thank you very
What you
much.
gonna say this day?
It's amazing when you've got a great family.
Yeah.
All these are family.
Yeah.
Not him, but the rest of them are. Okay. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. They're all family. They're all
Yeah.
family. Yeah.
We have a big family, right?
I mean, look at this. We're having a great time, guys.
Yeah.
Jesus, that wife's pretty. We're having a great time. And look, normally what happens in the Philippines, right, is Mel's probably told you, but the guys will be drinking and the girls will be yapping and, you know, whatever they're doing.
And then there's a young generation.
But the
jamming as
younger
well.
generation don't do it. Look at this younger generation here. Right?
We're having a great day,
Girls, look
guys.
at the girls. They're having a great time. They're
The kids as well.
drinking. They're drinking, they're jamming. We call it jamming here, guys.
Jamming.
They're jamming. And I just want to object. I give that woofer, subwoofer and speakers to her brother because I didn't think it worked. And
But it's
he's
worked.
got it working and it works brilliant. And I'm annoyed.
That's not new, right? How's the drinking in the Philippines?
Not so cheap here. But it's cheap in
What
Naga.
are you drinking?
That's just water and San-Mig. Well, ice and San-Mig. So I'm alright as long as
You said you just pointed ice and sunmig, and then Melissa showed the bottle Red Horse.
No, yeah.
You lie.
We have a different.
You know what you've just done on my my channel now.
We just drink different drinks.
Yeah.
No, I finished the San-Mig and they just offered me one cup. One cup land.
You survived that.
Hey, what can one do? I have to jam.
Yeah. So see you guys tomorrow morning. We're gonna make porridge.
Yeah. Mention Ralph and Melissa,
Yeah.
you Kims. See you next time, guys.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.